A while back, somebody asked me to make a video about various functions of the lathe, like replacing the chuck. And so today I am going to replace the chuck. I have an occasion to remove the 3-jaw chuck and install the 4-jaw chuck to machine some square tubing. So anyway, you can see there's an Allen wrench sticking out. There's 2 retaining points, one on each side, and you need to loosen those and remove those is the first step. So I'm going to set the tripod and you can watch me swap chucks here on the Grizzly lathe. So here we go. Sorry about that, I had to stop the video for a minute while I found my spanner that was included with the lathe. It's been so long since I've done this, I misplaced it. And I bet this is super tight because I haven't had a part in quite some time. There, finally broke loose. And I would recommend putting a towel or something underneath the chuck so when you drop it, you don't hit your ways here. I got some welding gloves. I know you think you won't drop it, but you might anyway. There it goes. And the 4-jaw chuck goes on the same. Tighten it up really good and then put those retaining collars back on. Okay, nice and tight. Even though it's cold, I took my gloves off because I gotta start these screws. And this is just the 4-jaw independent chuck that came with the lathe. So if you buy one of these lathes, at least when I bought this one, it came with 2 chucks, which is nice. Okay, there's one collar installed. Yeah, I'm getting ready to build some parts. I, in my spare time, play pedal steel guitar, and I need to build some spare parts for it. So I'm going to take some square bar stock, chuck it up, and machine holes in the end for some inserts. So now I'm ready to do that. As you can see, these adjust independently, so it's going to take a minute to get my piece perfectly centered, but it can be done. So there we are, and thanks for watching.